What is up, everybody? Planning Blueprint is back with another video. Hey. Okay, so today we're going to be flipping through the new Ready, Set, Goals recipe sticker book. Happy Planning so nice. They put the labels on the top for us, so it's easy to find when we are looking for our books. Okay, so we're going to flip open this first page. And look, y'all, this is so cute. So cute. A party without cake is just a meeting. These pictures outlined in the rose gold is so, so pretty. Yeah, these mason jars are so cute. So, so cute. Let's go to the next one. Oh my God, this is still so cute. Okay. Look at Happy Planner. I'm so proud of them. Dinner plans. Good food, good people, good times. That is so true. We got some cute circle stickers. And look at that big sticker, y'all. People who love to eat are always the best people. That is true, and I love to eat. So I'm also still loving this page. And look at that cute squeeze the day sticker, y'all. It makes me want some fresh fruit right now. So pretty. Feed me food and tell me I'm pretty. Y'all see that? That is Happy Planner. This is true. This is so true. Okay, we got some cute grocery list stickers. Grocery list is in that cute writing with that rose gold. We have some what's for lunch stickers. I'm really, really loving this book. We got some more grocery lists, but this time it is in the rose gold. And I know it don't really show too good on camera because of my lighting and everything, but y'all can kind of get the idea. So we have weekly staple stickers, these long stickers. And usually I use this for my, milk, egg, butter, cheese. Anything else you get all the time. Sugar, because you be making Kool-Aid and stuff, so you need sugar. Okay, more of those lists in yellow and kind of a baby blue type. Life is too short. Lick the bowl. I especially be doing that when Granny be making banana pudding, but yeah, gotta lick the bowl. So look at this scripted writing. I know some people call it fun. I call it writing. These are so cute. So we got gluten-free, sugar-free, dairy-free, vegetarian. I do want to try some vegetarian dishes. And we have some corner icons or whatever you want to call them. If you want to color code any of your recipes, you can use those. We got some low carb, some vegan, slow cooker, and one pot meal stickers. That'll be so cute. That can give you ideas of what kind of recipes to try. So we have family fave, kid friendly, meal prep, and you can use that in your regular planner. And I like how it's seems like it's kind of a thin highlight with a mile liner. So weekly menu, you can use this to pre-plan in your planner if you're doing a color scheme. That would be a cute color scheme for Valentine's Day, I think. Eat more wholesome foods. I love that sticker. But these colors together are so cute. Okay, more of those weekly menu stickers in this orange and yellowish type. These stickers are so cute. Same stickers, but in more like a hunter green and baby blue type color. Feed me food and tell me I'm pretty. Happy Planner, I love y'all. You better preach, okay? Because that's how I be feeling. So now we have more of the rainbow in this sticker. On this page, on these stickers. That's what I meant to say. So you definitely can plan out what you gonna eat right on your catch-all planner. So we have some of these circle stickers that say meal plan, celebrate. That's so cute. Look at these mason jars. These mason jars are so cute. So cute. Look at all those colors. So it says, love this, eat cake, family favorites. Life is sweet, eat well, favorite recipe. Those are so cute. So we have some whisks, some pot holders, some flippers, some of that kid-sized school milk. We have like a water pitcher, some spoons, some more of those different color whisks, some more of the school-sized milk, cartons of milk. At least that's the size I used to get in school. Some avocado, some tomatoes. If your recipe calls for 2 eggs, you can put one of these down. That is so cute. With some cute little sparklies. Decorate the page. Gotta eat your vegetables. Gotta eat your carrots, your cabbage, your broccoli. Some blueberries, some strawberries. That is so cute. Some bananas. I think that might be leaf spinach. I could be wrong. Some red bell peppers. Are those turnips or radishes? I don't know. So we also have some more recipe stickers. And you can say, you know, I rated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. What I loved about the recipe, what I would change about the recipe. So that's a good idea. Favorite recipe, it could be breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You can also probably pre-plan with these stickers too. Just write in what recipe and what category it falls in, breakfast, lunch, dinner. These are also cute. You can definitely use this in your planner in any spread as well. Kind of a peachy, blushy type color of header stickers that are outlined in that rose gold. Then you have a meal prep sticker. That's cute. Some of those same headers in different colors. So it can match whatever color scheme you're going for or whatever category you're going for. And we have some checklists. You can use checklists in any of your planner spreads. And yeah. So I never seen all rose gold checklists. So these are so cute because I do using quite a bit of rose gold in my spread sometimes. So that is so cute. Then we have some of these circle stickers that are really cute. So you can be like new recipe, dinner party. Got some of those in different colors. And then we have a bunch of arrows and bullet points and asterisks. So you can use that in any spread. A full page of the rose gold icons and flags. You can use that in any spread. And that is it, y'all. I am loving this sticker book. It is so cute. I am excited to start recipe planning. See y'all in the next one. Bye.